Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, as you know that in English, we are doing chapter number 2. The story of Miss Moppet. And today we are going to start fill-ups. Today we will do some fill-ups of this chapter. Okay? So let's start. There is a little dash. Tell me, there is a little dash. क्या आएगा? There is a little what? आप सभी बच्चों ने स्टोरी बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ी है तो you must know that there is a little dash in the story. Little kitten. Very good. And what is the spelling of kitten? Kit. K-I-T. Kit. Ten. T-N. Ten. Kitten. There is a little kitten. और kitten क्या होती है? I have told you before. Kitten क्या होती है? Baby of cat is called kitten. Her name is dash. क्या नाम है उस kitten का? उस little kitten का name. Kitten का name क्या है? Her name is what? Very good. Miss Moppet. Miss. M-I-S-S. Miss Moppet. M-O-P. Mop. P-E-T. Pet. M-O-P. Mop. P-E-T. Pet. Moppet. And Miss Moppet का M क्या होगा? Capital because it is a name of. Okay? So now she lives in a dash house. She lives in a dash house. She lives in a little house. So what is the spelling of little? L-I-T-T-L-E. Again, L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. So there is a little kitten. Her name is Miss Moppet. She lives in a little house. Very good. One day, एक दिन, a mouse is dash out from behind the dash. एक दिन एक चूहा क्या कर रहा था? झांक रहा था. और झांकने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? पीप करना. तो एक दिन एक चूहा क्या कर रहा था? झांक रहा था. तो one day a mouse is peeping. What? Peeping. झांक रहा था, है ना? Peep. What is the spelling of peep? P-E-E-P. Peep. Ing. I-N-G. Ing. Out from behind the dash. किस चीज के पीछे से झांक रहा है वो चूहा? बताइए मुझे. किसके पीछे? Very good. Cupboard. What is the spelling of cup? C-U-P. Cup. And what is the spelling of board? B-O-A-R-D. Board. Cupboard. जब हम इन दोनों को मिलाएंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? Cupboard. C-U-P. Cup. B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. One day a mouse is peeping out from behind the cupboard. अब क्या हुआ? एक दिन एक चूहा कबर्ड के पीछे से झांक रहा था. And making dash of Miss Moppet. और क्या कर रहा था वो बताओ मुझे. Tell me. And making dash of Miss Moppet. What? Very good, students. And making fun of Miss Moppet. Fun. F-U-N. Fun. And making fun of Miss Moppet. She jumps to dash the mouse. C jumps to dash the mouse. उसने जंप क्यों किया था? क्या करने के लिए? माउस को कैच करने के लिए. She jumps to catch the mouse. And what is the spelling of catch? In catch, first you will write the spelling of cat. And what is the spelling of cat? C-A-T. And then you will add ch. C-H. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. The mouse. She jumps to catch the mouse and hits her own head on the dash. किटन जो मिस मॉपेट थी उसका हेड किस चीज पर जाकर हिट किया था? हाँ, वेरी गुड, कबर्ड. C-U-P कप, B-O-A-R-D बोर्ड, कबर्ड. She jumps to catch the mouse. उसने जंप तो किया था माउस को पकड़ने के लिए, लेकिन वो माउस को नहीं पकड़ पाई. क्या हुआ? उसको कैच करने के बजाय उसका सिर इतनी जोर से जाके कबर्ड पे लगा, बहुत तेज की लगा. तो शी जंप्स टू कैच द माउस एंड हिट्स हर ओन हेड ऑन द कबर्ड. शी डैश अप हर हेड इन अ डैश. उसने क्या कर लिया था? उसने अपने सिर पर क्या बांधा हुआ है? तौलिया, है ना? तो शी टाइज, T-I-E-S, T-I-E-S. She ties up her head in a, किस चीज में बांधा हुआ है? Towel, T-O-W-E-L, towel. She ties up her head in a towel and sits before the dash. और किसके सामने जाकर बैठ गई? बताओ मुझे. Very good. Fire, F-I-R-E, and sits before the fire, F-I-R-E, fire. So students, you will write these fill-ups like this in a paragraph, okay? That's why I have written it here. So let's read it again. There is a little kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N. Her name is Miss Moppet, M-I-S-S, Miss, M-O-P-M-O-P, pet, M-O-P, mop, P-E-T, pet, Moppet. She lives in a dash house. She lives in a little house. One day a mouse is dash out from behind the dash. One day a mouse is dash out. क्या कर रहा था mouse? What was the mouse doing? Tell me. Peeping, झांक रहा था. So one day a mouse is peeping out. P-E-E-P, peep, ing, I-N-G, ing. P-E-E-P-I-N-G, peeping out from behind the cupboard. C-U-P, cup, B-O-A-R-D, board, cupboard. And making dash of Miss Moppet. And making fun of Miss Moppet. F-U-N, fun. She jumps to dash the mouse. She jumps to, क्यों जंप किया था उसने माउस को? क्या करने के लिए? To catch the mouse. She jumps to catch the mouse. C-A-T-C-H, C-A-T-C-H, and hits her own head on the dash. और खुद का ही सिर उसका कहाँ जाकर लगा था? Cupboard. C-U-P, cup, B-O-A-R-D, board. C-U-P, cup, B-O-A-R-D, board, cupboard. शी डैश अप हर हेड, उसने अपने सिर के ऊपर क्या किया था, बांधा था, किसको, वेरी गुड, तौलिए को. सो शी टाइज अप हर हेड, TIES, TIES, up her head in a towel, 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 and sits before the fire, sits before the fire, FIRE, fire. So students, you will write all these fill-ups in your notebook, and yes, one of the most important thing is that your work should be very 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 neat and clean. Your handwriting should be very good. You should use your sharpen pencil. Okay, जब आप अपनी sharpen pencil use करेंगे तभी तो आपकी handwriting अच्छी आएगी ना. So you will use your sharpen pencil. Okay students, so stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.